welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Corie, and I am a high school family and consumer sciences teacher, but I love all things fashion and lifestyle, so you get a little bit of everything here on my channel. This week, I thought it would be interesting to show you guys my realistic and doable cleaning routine. I ask you to be silent.
I'm going upstairs. I'm putting the pizza in right now.
Ask him to be silent for 2 seconds and he's incapable. I love you. I thought it would be interesting to show you guys my realistic and doable cleaning routine. I'm gonna take you guys through a whole week of me cleaning and showing you guys what I do on a daily basis to keep my house in tip-top shape. So on Mondays after work, the first thing that I will do is I will water my plants. I have about 30 plants, so it takes me quite a bit of time to do this, but that is on a weekly schedule, so I just check what plants need to be watered and take care of those. On Mondays, I also clean out my cat's litter box. I do that as well on Thursdays, which you guys will see. Every single day, I will pick up what needs to be picked up. So what that means is if there's like pillows out of place, or if there's like garbage on the floor, or things that need to get put away, I will take care of those first thing after I get home from work.
I don't even know what's next, but all I know is step by step. But then again, I don't wanna wait for bliss when all I really need is only lavender dreams, baby.
The other thing that I do absolutely every single day is dishes and wiping down the counters, because dishes, they just accumulate all the time, and I really like having a clean kitchen. So I will do the dishes and clean the countertops every single day. And then I will do laundry. So I will do all the loads of laundry, but I do not fold them. That's a Tuesday thing.
I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
On Tuesdays, it's a little bit simpler. I will fold all of my laundry, do the dishes, and clean the countertops again. And then I do one monthly task. So the monthly tasks that I have are cleaning out the cars, cleaning out the fridge, cleaning the microwave, cleaning the windows and window seals, dusting the baseboards and blinds and everything in my house, just dusting everything, because my house doesn't actually get super dusty, which is very, very nice. So I don't have to do it like on a weekly basis. Mopping, vacuuming the couch, and doing the bathtubs, like cleaning the actual bathtubs. So on Tuesdays and Fridays, I do one monthly task, and that will get me through all of the monthly tasks in 1 month. So today would be my car cleaning day, but I actually did that on Saturday, so I don't need to do that today. So the first thing that I'm gonna do today is I'm going to clean out the dishwasher.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see.
And the only other thing that I do for cleaning on Tuesday is folding the laundry that I did yesterday. So insert cool montage of that.
I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
Hello you guys, it is Wednesday now, and I just got out of the shower, washed my hair, that's why I look like I do. But today is Wednesday, and I am showing you what I'm doing for cleaning today. Today, what is on the agenda are bathrooms and changing the sheets. As for the bathrooms, toilets are Trevor's job, just in general, he's the one who does the toilets. But I will wipe down the countertops, clean the mirrors. I won't do the floors because that is a tomorrow thing, which you'll see. We have 3 bathrooms in our house. One we don't use, and the other one is a half bath, so really it's the toilet and the sink, and it doesn't get used very much either. So I'm gonna just show you guys the master bathroom today. And then obviously sheet changing.
I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
Today is Thursday, which means it's vacuuming day. But first, I decided to clean the kitchen again. It got really messy in one day, so I decided to pick that up. And I did the dishes and the countertop like I do every day. And then I got onto vacuuming.
What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I cannot do. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Million things I don't know what to do.
Hello you guys, so it is Friday now. It is the last day of the week. And on Fridays, oh my goodness, on Fridays I do another monthly task. And today's monthly task is directly behind me. It is organizing the fridge. So cleaning out any old leftovers that need to be thrown away, just reorganizing so we can actually see what we have, things like that. And of course, doing the dishes again, but I won't bore you with showing that again.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes.
So that is it for my weekly cleaning routine. I will put the image of my cleaning routine here again if you wanted to take a screenshot. Hopefully this is something that is easy and doable for you in your house. I work full-time, my husband goes to school and work, so we have to make it doable. We have to make it realistic. So don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye guys.